Hello mga katuto! Welcome to One-on-One TV and Tutorials. Ang lesson natin ngayon ay division of integers. Division of integers. Pag sinabi nating same signs, ito yung positive divided by positive is equal to positive. Negative divided by negative equals positive. So let's have this example. Positive divided by positive. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So positive pa rin ang sagot. Next, number 2. Negative 8 divided by negative 4. Parehong negative yung integers. So magiging quotient niya ay positive 2 or simply 2. Next, different signs. Pag sinabi nating different signs, magkaiba yung signs nung integers. Positive divided by negative equals negative. Example number 3. Negative 24 divided by 6. Magkaiba yung signs ng dalawang integers. So 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Then, ang sagot na natin ay negative 4. Next, number 4. 45 divided by negative 9. Positive and negative. So, yung sagot natin ay negative 5. Lagi nating tatandaan na ang rules sa multiplication at division of integers ay magkapareho.